2023 Nissan Ariya. What is new for 2023? The Ariya is an all-new vehicle for Nissan. It features Nissan's updated driver assistance system ProPilot 2.0, which debuted on the Japanese market Nissan Skyline sedan. The Ariya is said to deliver up to 304 miles of driving range, but only when equipped with the front-wheel drive configuration and the larger 87.0 kWh battery pack. Pricing and which one to buy. Engage $44,485, Venture Plus $48,485, Evolve Plus $51,485, EM Power Plus $54,985, Premier $55,985, Platinum Plus $61,485. The Ariya's $44,485 starting price puts it above the Leaf and other affordable EVs, but under the base price of the Model Y. But that entry-level Engage model comes with a smaller battery pack and a lower 216-mile estimated driving range. We are of the mindset that to successfully switch from gasoline to electricity, range is key. So we would go with the Venture Plus trim, which boasts the longest driving range among the Ariya's 4 trim levels at 304 miles per charge. EV motor and power and performance. Unlike the Leaf, which comes only with front-wheel drive, Nissan is pulling from features developed in other cars, including the GTR sports cars' torque split system, to offer optional all-wheel drive via a dual front and rear electric motor configuration. The front-wheel drive model we tested hit 60 mph in 7.5 seconds, but the more powerful all-wheel drive Ariya should be significantly quicker. We estimate that model will vibe from 0 to 60 mph in less than 5 seconds, a feat that is similar to higher-end electric vehicles. From what we have experienced so far, the Ariya provides a calm, stable ride that should please most buyers, but it lacks the sporty, nature we driving enthusiasts prefer. Range and charging and battery life. Nissan says the Venture Plus offers up to 304 miles of driving range per charge, which is quite a step up from the Leaf's maximum range of 226 miles. The Evolve Plus, EM Power Plus, and Premier models offer up to 289 miles per charge, and the top spec Platinum Plus is supposedly good for up to 265. Going with the base Engage trim requires compromising on range due to that model's smaller battery pack, which is rated for only 216 miles per charge. When we tested a front-wheel drive EM Power Plus model on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, we recorded a 240-mile range. The Ariya will be capable of charging at home on 110 or 240 volt outlets, as well as at public charging stations and even DC fast charging ports. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the most efficient Ariya is the Venture Plus model, which is rated for 111 mpg city and 95 mpg highway. On the other end of the spectrum are the Evolve Plus and EM Power Plus and Premier trims, which are rated for 105 mpg city and 91 mpg highway on our 75 mph highway route. We recorded 84 mpg in a front-wheel drive EM Power Plus model. For more information about the Ariya's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior and comfort and cargo. The Ariya's interior looks futuristic and minimal. Nissan has discarded every button possible in pursuit of a smooth dashboard that favors a sleek look to match the design of the exterior, despite Nissan's claim that the Ariya's cabin is unlike a traditional automotive interior. Its minimalistic theme appears to be its solely unique trait. Not that the cabin isn't a nice place to spend time. A flat, low floor creates a spacious feeling inside. And Nissan has incorporated its comfy zero-gravity seats into the design. The rear seat space is noticeably less generous than the front, but a pair of adults will still find it comfortable and roomy enough even for long-distance travel. Infotainment and connectivity. Dual 12.3-inch displays serve as both the digital gadget cluster and the infotainment screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and in-dash navigation are all standard features. Wireless smartphone charging and a head-up display are available as well. The infotainment system features both Amazon Alexa and a built-in voice assistant. Safety and driver assistance features. The Ariya features ProPilot 2.0, Nissan's second generation of the ProPilot driver assistance technology. As an optional feature, the system allows drivers to remove their hands from the wheel in certain driving scenarios, and in our experience, it works quite well. For more information about the Ariya's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. We predict the Ariya will come with the same basic warranty package as the Leaf when it goes on sale. That warranty should include a competitive bumper-to-bumper policy as well as battery protection that stretches over 8 years or 100,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Battery warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to achieve 1000 subscribers and see more videos about all new cars in USA. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye.